Call cycle and scheduling. Dashboard overview. The schedule panel is located at the bottom right-hand corner of your dashboard. The schedule links with the Apple Calendar. You can open the Apple Calendar by tapping on the word schedule. To return to the dashboard, tap Inzant Sales in the top left-hand corner of the calendar screen. The next icon along is a link to the retailer map view. When opened, it will display today's calls as pins on the map, sorted by call time. The next icon is a plus icon. This is for adding appointments not related to a retailer. To do this, tap the plus, fill in the required details, tap Add. This summary section will only show today's calls and the types. You can tap on these to see more details. Once the call time is passed, the time will turn to red.